Eggs, the cheapest superfood you're not using right. Eggs might be the most underrated superfood in your kitchen. They're cheap, packed with nutrients, and can seriously upgrade your health and your wallet, but most people have no idea just how powerful they really are. Welcome back to Embrace Health and Wealth today, where we help you build a better life without breaking the bank. Today, we're talking about one of the most complete protein sources on the planet, eggs. Let's break it down. Eggs are considered a complete protein, which means they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. That's huge because your body uses these amino acids to build muscle, repair tissue, and keep your metabolism running strong. Any large egg has about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, and it comes with vitamins like B12, vitamin D, and choline, which is essential for brain health. In simple terms, eggs fuel your body and your brain. Now let's talk money. Eggs are one of the most affordable protein sources you can buy, compared to steak, chicken, or protein supplements. Eggs give you more nutrition for less cost. And here's where it gets interesting. Because eggs keep you full longer, you're less likely to snack or overeat throughout the day. That means fewer cravings, fewer impulse purchases, and more money staying in your pocket. So you're not just eating healthier, you're actually saving money doing it. If you're someone who struggles with energy, eggs can be a game changer. Starting your day with eggs helps stabilize your blood sugar, which means fewer crashes and more consistent energy throughout the day. Whether you're working, hitting the gym, or building a side hustle, you need steady energy. Eggs help you stay sharp and focused. Here are a few quick and budget-friendly ways to add eggs into your routine. Boiled eggs for a quick grab and go snack. Scrambled eggs with spinach for a nutrient boost. Omelets with leftover veggies to reduce food waste. Eggs on toast with peanut butter or avocado for a balanced meal. Simple, fast, and effective. And let's clear this up. Eggs are not the enemy. For most people, eating eggs in moderation is perfectly healthy. In fact, they've been wrongly criticized for years, but research continues to show they can be part of a balanced diet. So if you're looking for a simple way to improve your health and your finances, start with eggs. Cheap, powerful, and effective. If you got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.